Hello and welcome to DSI Dental Solutions video blog, where we uncover practical ways to enhance your dental practice. Today we have a special focus on efficiency and cost effectiveness with only a minimum investment needed. Let's call this rubric Advanced Dental Solutions that won't break the bank. That's right, today we'll be reviewing 5 remarkable products that are all priced under $100, while each one of them could save a lot of your valuable chair time and energy. So let's dive right in. DSI STD device for tissue cutting and gingival reduction procedures. Made from nanostructured zirconia, the tip will remain sharp and cool, with exceptional durability, low vibration and high break resistance. Simply angle the instruments at 90 degrees, apply slight pressure on the gingiva surface and you are good to go. DSI Universal Driver allows you to work with the implants and prosthetic without the need to change the driver. Yes, same driver for implants and the prosthetics that have the micro 90 springs that give you outstanding grip no matter how heavy the prosthetic component. Will hold it tight until you move it from place to place with the complete confidence. Comes as the set with adapters which are compatible with ratchet, motor mount latch type, and also could be used manually. Use it for implants, cover screws and healing caps insertion. DSI 90 brush is very effective for the cleaning of exposed implant threads and designed for better access to narrow cavities. Helps with periimplantitis treatment, cleans the infected implant surface while creating a new polished one. Available in 3 sizes depending on your surgical needs. Innovative light curing VPS material for screw retainer restorations completely changed the work arrangements and saves a significant time by removing Teflon and liquid composite from a daily routine. Perfect sealing helps to prevent screw loosening, while the most satisfying part is when pulling it out like a cork with a dedicated probe in fractions of a second. Proxy Strip was designed with the modern dentistry needs in mind. Unlike rotary instruments such as IPR disc, the thin, delicate strips provide a much gentler interproximal reduction without risk to the patient's soft tissue and gums. With different types of saw and abrasive corrugated surface strips available, the practitioners can delicately remove only the right amount of enamel with a tactile feel for filigree precision. Thanks for joining us today in a video blog when we strive to optimize your dental practice. And remember, sometimes all it takes is a small investment to make a big impact. Thanks again and see you in the next video.
Brought to you by DSI.